flatten out. They got really broad head.
Yeah.
So this guy's, you know, probably number 5 in the world. You know, behind taipan, eastern brown snake.
We ran over a taipan on the Oodnadatta track. I'm so sorry.
Oh yeah. Oh well, it kind of happens. They get in awkward spots, but you know, you got inland taipan, eastern brown, coastal taipan. These guys and death adders are you know, they're up there. So
The most poisonous?
yeah, most venomous.
Oh,
yeah.
good to know.
And he's a cracking animal, this one. Aren't ya? You're a pretty thing,
Yeah,
aren't ya?
enough now.
Hey, he's had enough. Come in here, mate. No bite in the bag. Come on. Hoppa.
Good.
He bit the bag. But that's okay. I know you're cranky, mate. It's alright.